Hi guys, it's Ms. Pecoraro. This video is for those of you who want instructions on what to do next now that you've started your document. So remember, find your Google Classroom, check my announcements, go to classwork, click on your FitnessGram sheet, and we're going to be doing some of these things every day in class. Remembering that it is our pre-test. So any yellow box that we fill in is for our pre-test, not the post-test. Pre-test, final test. That's definitely, we are not there. We are definitely here. Okay? So let's say that we did the mile run for the day. Come down to these bottom tabs and click on whichever activity we did for the day. We did mile run. So I would go to my pre-test, which should be empty. This was just the example from earlier. And I would put in here whatever I would get. Let's say I got 7 minutes and 45 seconds. It will plot it for me. Let's say for the day we did curl-ups. So you'd open up your Chromebook in class when I tell you to, or whenever you can find Wi-Fi. And you will click on curl-ups. And you will put in however many you have in your pretest. Maybe today in class that we did curl-ups, you got 23. It charts it for you, but that's exactly what you're going to do every day in class or every day that you can find Wi-Fi after class. You are going to open up this document, click on the activity that we did for the day, and make sure you put in what you got for the pre-test, not the final test. If you struggle to get Wi-Fi because our numbers are very far away from the school, then what you can do is write it down in your agenda on a notebook piece of paper. Make sure it all stays together, and you can enter it once you get Wi-Fi. All right, thanks guys.